What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Red Rock Crawlers. This week we're going to be heading out in the snow. This is my my Jeep and posse here. Steve, you've seen Steve before in my videos.
Yeah.
You've seen the Offroad Rhino as well. And Bryson.
Hello.
He came with us to Hole in the Rock. We're just waiting on Vernon.
I have my mama.
Okay, good. So we thought we'd go sledding, and look how much snow there is. Not much. We are gonna go up top here, up the mountain, and see what we can find up there. There might be enough that we can go sledding, but we'll see.
Whoa, wait. Tom, get back to the way to down to your home. That is the stuff bit.
Yeah, yeah. You don't.
Ew, get out of here, yucky mud.
Ew, yucky mud. So it's just Quinn and I today. Duncan, who is normally with me, had a birthday party, and we gave him the choice to go to the birthday party or come jeeping, and he wanted to go to the birthday party. We're gonna try and get up this mountain here. Doesn't look too bad, but obviously things are very slippery right now with the mud and the snow and everything, so we'll see how we do. So it's a little slippery on the snow here, and we're right on the edge of this, you know, this drop off. Just going slow and steady. Uh-oh, there's Steve. A what? So this is really why we come jeeping. It's just to park on rocks and take pictures. This is what they call rock crawling,
Yeah.
I think. We're doing it, aren't we?
This is rock crawling.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Crawling on rock. What are you eating, Quinn?
Cheetos?
You got your Cheetos?
Yes.
Are they yummy? Uh-oh, we're got a little problem here. Bryson is stuck. Let me get out and see what we got going on. Nope, we're gonna have to go back down. There's no way we're going up with that broken. That's gonna be fun. Try and back down the mountain now. Sorry, buddy, but I'm gonna take a video of your broken part here. And well, that's too bad.
Yes, it is.
Dana,
Good excuse for upgrades, right?
yeah, that's right. Mandatory upgrades.
That's right.
They're the best ones. Well, that's a Dana 30
Yeah.
problem. That's okay.
Going for 44s.
That's all right. We'll get it fixed. That's not the end of the world. Bryson broke a U-joint on his front axle. There's not enough room to turn around, so we're just backing down the mountain right now, trying to find a place where we can level out and at least pull the shaft out for now, and we'll get him home and get a replacement. I broke mine on Hole in the Rock last time I was down there.
Your axle?
Yeah.
Really? I know I need to carry a spare. It's always the driver's side. Dude, I take pictures, not video, okay? It's a boy! Smack a picture, it's alive.
Look at that. Bryson, you did a number.
It is.
That's your Thor's hammer right there, brother. That's what you're going to use for Halloween.
It's been rubbing, I think, for a while.
Yeah.
Yeah, the splines look okay, but this has been rubbing, I think. Look at that. Like, that's all wallowed out.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, I don't recall that either.
Well, it's out. Now we just gotta
Get you home.
Put it all back together.
Yeah, just shove the rag in there so you don't lose oil. Well, we got that all sorted out. Pulled the shaft. We stuffed a rag down the tube so we don't lose any oil. He's just gonna drive it home from here and start looking for new parts. Now it's on to bigger and better things.
Don't tell my wife that yet.
Yeah. So we just got Bryson's axle shaft pulled, and right as we were getting that wrapped up, we heard that there is somebody that's stuck further up the trail. So Vernon and I are gonna head up there and see if we can pull them out. This is turning into an eventful day. What was supposed to be just an easy day on the back roads of Utah in the snow, actually getting exciting. So here we go. You guys are gonna be on YouTube.
All right.
Whose truck is this?
Mine.
Oh, okay.
Me not brainwashed on YouTube.
Okay.
My Cherokee just didn't have the weight, and I was on ice and uphill, and I'm like,
Yeah,
no winch, I
it's
guess
slick.
we'll go.
Try backing up and then turn. Put it in gear and try and back up a little bit. Your fronts aren't spinning at all.
No.
It won't engage now?
I put it neutral. Yeah,
What kind of four-wheel drive is that?
The kind we get around.
Bro, what do we got going on?
We got a lot of loot. Oh yeah.
Yep. I think if we
definitely not gonna go
anchor two Jeeps to
that
yours
seat.
and then
Without
just pull them
luck,
out.
there's
Keep going, back and forth a bit.
You know what?
It's probably winding up in there, isn't it?
Four-wheel in reverse.
So he broke a CV joint, or a CV axle.
I think if we get up in here, I can back up that hill and bury my Jeep. Okay. And pull him out back. I had to pull out Jai last week.
We could unbolt
Okay.
that.
Mufasa JK.
Yeah. Maybe.
So,
If you're watching, Jay, we're talking about you.
yeah, he knows.
Yeah.
He knows. I don't think we could pull him forward.
Okay. Let's try it. Keep going.
Keep coming.
Hold on a minute. Attempt number 2 here. Yeah, keep going.
Any more?
About all we got.
You guys are my saviors.
Dang. Made a mess of that. Well, we got him out. That broken CV joint is putting a damper on his day, that's for sure. Should be able to get past. Whew. Good job! Woohoo! Okay, go! All right, here we go. Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Whoa! Woohoo!
Sounds like a bad idea now.
Whoa! Oh man!
Oh my god! I really hope you got all that on video.
Yeah, I got it. Got a little bit of snow on you.
Just a little.
Whoa! We went far. What happened? Got a little bit of snow on your face? I'm getting all the snow off. Was it cold?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we got a little bit of snow on our face, didn't we? You did good. Good job. I told Quinn that we were going to go sledding, so we had to make sure we got that in there somewhere today.
Here we go.
Woohoo! Whoa! We pulled an axle shaft.
Dude, I take pictures, not video, okay?
We pulled a truck out of the ditch. You got to play in the snow. I think it was a pretty eventful day. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, everybody. We had a lot of fun, didn't we, Quinn?
I got that time. I should have moved them in the bed of my mom.
we thank you guys all for watching. Hope you enjoyed our video. And if you're new to our channel, hit subscribe. We'd love to have you as part of the Red Rock Crawler team. We'll see you guys on the trail.